Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and in this video, we're going to be covering Baluchi rugs. So we'll go over where Baluchi rugs come from. We'll be talking about some of their key characteristics, and we'll talk about the antique Baluchi rugs and the more modern Baluchi rugs, and all of that is coming up now. So Baluchi rugs are made by the Baluchi tribes who are settled in the region between Iran and Afghanistan. So when you're looking at Baluchi rugs, you're typically going to see two options. You'll see the more antique Baluchi rugs and the newer Baluchi rugs. When it comes to the design, they're all pretty similar, and the design that is used are basically a mix between Turkish design, Persian design, and designs from the Caucasus. The closest type of Persian rug design to Baluchi is the Turkmenistan design, which came actually before Baluchi. So the newer Baluchi rugs, again, have pretty similar patterns to the antique ones, except that you're going to see more variations in the colors. Maybe some of the colors they're using are a little bit more lighter. They're not going to be using as much as the dark colors that the antique Baluchi rugs have. And as far as the design itself, you're going to have a tree of life, you'll have some all-over geometrical patterns, you'll have the boteh design. Those are typical in Baluchi rugs. As far as the material being used in Baluchi rugs, you're usually going to have 100% wool pile and a wool foundation, which is not very typical. A lot of times you're going to see cotton foundation in different types of Persian rugs. Sometimes you will, however, see cotton foundation in Baluchi rugs as well. And as far as the colors, they usually come with darker colors. So you'll see a lot of dark blues, dark red, dark browns, and a lot of different shades of brown. And as far as the highlight colors, you're gonna see ivory, and you're gonna see some blues and dark purples that are used to highlight the rug. As far as the knot density that you'll typically see in Baluchi rugs, it's gonna usually range between 144 knots to 169 knots. And that's relatively high given that it's a village rug. And something interesting about these rugs is that you'll almost never find them in large sizes. They're almost always going to be smaller sizes, like 4x6, 5x7 or smaller. And the reason for that is that this is a tribe, and they usually have to move around and migrate, and they do not have the ability to set up a really large loom in one location to create the larger rugs. And another interesting fact about Baluchi rugs is that they are sold in the markets of the city of Mashhad. And the reason is that the Baluchi weavers don't really have buyers in their region, so they have to go to the closest large city to sell the rugs to the bazaar in the market. So this concludes our video on Baluchi rugs. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Baluchi rugs, then I invite you to head over to our site, catalinarug.com, and check out our Baluchi collection. There you can read more about Baluchis and look at their close-up images and take a look at our collection. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then I invite you to like, to subscribe, and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.